Isang paraan upang ma-relax at mag-unwind ay ang pag-nature tripping. Pero wala na atang mas sasarap pa sa nature tripping plus food trip. Ito ang isang hidden cafe sa Antipolo. Sa magandang tanawin na meron ng lugar, siguradong unang mabubusog ang iyong mga mata.
It's like walking into a home with a garden because we don't have aircon, but the windows are all screened. And when you look out, you can enjoy the view of the garden and 2 ponds. The ponds have koi, that's the Japanese carp, and some other fish.
Nakadagdag sa homey ambience ng lugar ang kanilang mga home-cooked meals.
We have a set menu for the day, and it would be good if you could reserve. It's every day we change the food, so and we have no printout of any menu because for one day we have a set menu that has the soup, the appetizer, and usually a fish, meat, and vegetable dish. So that's 3 dishes. And the dessert.
Ang mga putahing kanilang inihahain, masarap na, it's all you can pa.
We also had an appetizer where it's an adaptation of a Thai dish. It's called Mai Kum. And what you do is you get alagao leaves, and in the alagao leaf, you put several condiments. There you put chopped onions, luya, the ginger, basil, dried coconut, dried shrimp, peanut sauce on top, and kamyas. Kung walang kamyas, it's green mango. And you wrap it, you roll it, you wrap it. Huh? And then we had a dish it had pork with green mangoes, may hito with gata sauce, and the other kind of sauce na it had toyo with onions and tomatoes.
Ang cafe owner na si Miss Lanel Abueva Fernando ay isang kilalang potter. Ang kanyang forte, functional handmade stoneware ceramic. Kaya naman maaari ding mabili ang kanilang mga likha sa cafe mismo.
We make all the plates and soup bowls, serving platters and plates and cups, coffee cups, mugs, saucers, and mga sausawan. We make them here in the same compound, and we also make everything for the tabletop, tableware for other restaurants, resorts, and spas.
Bukod sa nature tripping at food trip, may free tour na, may experience mo pa ang basics ng pottery. Sa panahon ngayon, lahat tayo ay busog na busog sa polusyon na meron ang Metro Manila. Kaya naman hindi masama na paminsan-minsan ay dumayo sa mga ganitong lugar kung saan hindi lang pagkain ang nakabubusog, pati ang masarap na simoy ng hangin, katatakaman mo.